Honestly, I can't even imagine writing code fully by hand anymore. I used to love it, but so much energy went into boring wrappers and routine tasks. Now things are different, and today I want to show you the 3 AI tools that power every single day of my work. My first real encounter with digital twins and AI was back in 2018 on Ruski Island in Vladivostok. Back then, it felt distant, almost sci-fi. Fast forward to today, and here we are with ChatGPT in our pockets. This tool literally started the AI boom, and now it's my daily sparring partner. No single day passes without ChatGPT. I brainstorm ideas with it, even the crazy ones, and it helps me shape them into something shippable. It replaced Google Search, Stack Overflow for me. Before, if I hit a tricky problem, research could take 1 or 2 full work days, and often I'd still find nothing useful. Now ChatGPT gives me answers on any language almost instantly. It's not perfect, but the speed and the confidence it gives me, game-changing. The second tool is Code. It's basically my team in a plugin inside Visual Studio Code. A manager, an architect, developers, testers, all in one. Ru is actually a fork of another open source agent called Claude. I mostly use Ru because it's evolving faster. The magic is that you can create your own agents for each role and connect them to different models, even mix them. For example, my architect is usually on Gemini. For coding, I switch between Gemini and ChatGPT 4.1. By the way, as a startup founder, I get free credits for these models. If you want a video on how to get these perks, just let me know in the comments. So here's how I use Root. When a task is well-defined, like a feature or a user case or a system component, I assign it to Root. The agents break it down even more, confirm the plan with me, and then pass it to developer and tester agent. It feels like running a full project team, but all inside one ID. And finally, Cursor. I've been using Cursor ID for almost a year, and now I switched to Cursor Agent inside my favorite ID, WebStorm. I use it mainly for bug fixes and for DevOps tasks. For example, when deployment is broken and needs rescue, Cursor steps in. And paired with Claude, they are brilliant. Claude is very independent and proactive, which is both good and risky. One time, it even transferred 4 tokens into a blockchain contract, and of course, you can pull them out easily. So yes, it needs close supervision, but when guided right, it works amazing. These 3, ChatGPT, Ru, and Cursor, they are my daily trio. Without them, I can't imagine coding, building, or even surviving a workday. What about you? Which AI tool could you not live without? Tell me in the comments, and if you want more stories and breakdowns like this, subscribe because I'm just getting started.
AI-holic Lab. Pause and grab. AI-holic Lab.